Hey y'all, this is Ife of Ife360 TV, and today we're going to talk about using ghee in our hair. So, if you like my videos, you have to hit subscribe because that's the only way to find out when I post a new video. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. This is the brand of ghee that I use for my hair. Well, I will leave a link to this ghee that I use in the description box below. However, you can use any ghee that you have. Ghee is usually solid at room temperature, and it's kind of difficult to apply to your hair. Very first time I used ghee, I warmed it up and I used ghee alone. But y'all, ghee by itself smells really bad. So I'm gonna add some oil to it to kind of like lessen the smell of it. But what I'm gonna use a hot water bath. I used a very old rice cooker. It's really efficient with getting my oils or my ghee warmed up. So I put it in a hot water bath inside my rice cooker to just melt the ghee so that I can easily apply it to my hair. Once your ghee has been melted, to kind of cool it down a bit, you can add a few tablespoons of your favorite oil. Okay, to my dry hair, I'm going to start applying the cool oil. So it should not be hot when you're applying it, and I'm massaging it on your scalp and along your hair strands. So be sure that it's cool. And once you add other oils, the ghee itself will cool down. So I'm going to massage this onto my scalp. So I'm going to continue doing the same thing to all my hair throughout my head. And this is what my hair starts to look like throughout the process. It's really silky smooth when you're applying it. Even my hands were really moisturized. My hair is even appearing to be a little bit thicker as well as I apply the oil to my hair, and it's starting to cool down as well. So remember, ghee is really a butter. So once you start applying it to your hair, it starts to cool down and solidify in a bit. So I'm going to wrap my hair up and then I'm going to cover it with a plastic bag. Now, I do suggest that you leave it for a couple hours, and it doesn't have to be overnight. And then I wrapped it with a towel just to really keep the heat in. So this is the second plastic bag. And the pink one that I put in initially is in there. So it's been overnight since I did the smells buttery, the hot oil treatment. My hair is actually still pretty warm. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna keep my hair in sections. Oh, it looks really shiny. Well, it should. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep my hair in sections, gonna wash it, and I'm gonna come back. All right, so my hair has been washed, and this is what my hair looks like after doing the ghee overnight. How I feel about this, I think I'm gonna do one very important tip is to wash your hair with shampoo. Otherwise, the ghee will actually clog your pores and it won't allow natural hair growth to occur. I'm gonna do it again because my hair, it just already feels, just the ends of my hair, they feel different. Now, ghee is supposed to help significantly with split ends and curing split ends. They don't feel like they're gonna break anytime. They don't feel bushy, they don't feel dry, because my hair has been looking extremely dry these last few days, and ghee definitely helps with renewing shine, adding shine back to your hair as well. So not if the past week or so my hair didn't, I'm like, what is this? So I said this is why I said I would try the ghee, but I like how it feels already. Now if it has increased the strength of my hair already, I don't know. So next time I come back and I show you my hair, it's going to be dry, styled, stretched as well. So I just wanted to give you a quick close-up before I go style my hair of what my curls look like with the ghee. Don't my curls look refreshed already? They look really like what it's supposed to look like. I feel that's what my hair looks like, what it's supposed to look like. Not dry, just coming out of the shower. I will be honest though, they smell. Now, was it smelling when I put it in my hair? It smelled kind of like butter. I wanted to come on and show you what my hair looks like again after a little bit of but I must say though, there's a silkiness to my hair that has a lot of benefits with regard to keeping your hair strong, moisturized. Ghee actually gets soaked up into your strands. If you have dry hair, thin hair, it helps just making your hair a lot better. So especially those who are fighting hair loss, this is perfect for you because ghee actually helps with adding vitamin D to your hair and reducing hair loss as well, which is what I'm working on. And especially since I found out I have diabetes, I think you could do it as much help as possible, right? So if you're gonna try ghee, I just want to show you a little bit closer. Come a little closer. If you like this video and you're going to try ghee, let me know if you will. It's just something that I came across from, thankfully, to my friend Corinne, and I really appreciate her for letting me know that she was using it. And once I read up on it and I got my hands on it, because I was actually using it for my diet, and I was like, wait, I'm already eating this, why can't I put it on my hair? And here we are. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts.